other one. Them boys is over here. We know where to come get bait. Oh yeah, some nice cats. Oh man. There you go.
So you know when they stopped biting, he said they cut that gel right off. Said yo,
Oh.
truck, bro. Yeah, the brake's on. Yeah, the brake was on.
Go.
You have it on? The brake was on.
Yeah, oh yeah, that mud.
Push it that way? Oh, and the truck was slipping. Yeah.
Yeah, nice light boat. Oh hell yeah. Yes, sir. Oh man, you can take that boat anywhere, man. Shit, man, that's what I need, boy. Yeah, man. Oh, nice. Damn. Ain't no babies in there, boy. That's some big boys. Oh, man, them fillets gonna be crucial on them. Nice.
Pull it up there and tie it down.
Buddy. Hell yeah. Oh, Lake Seguin got some fish in it, boy. There's some fish in here, I see. Big boys. We gotta catch them on liver? Oh, yes, sir.
No, motor stay like that.
You got them sunfish? You got them sunfish? Oh, you know what? That bass too. That sunfish. You put them sunfish in something? Oh, already. Oh, all right. Yo. Uh-oh.
Watch it.
It's all good. There you go. All right, man. Y'all have a good one, man. I'm like, oh, where'd it go? Check him out, ladies and gentlemen. Damn, dog, that look like the same size as that one I got. Oh, oh yeah. You gonna tie them on the string? Tie the string together? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's do it, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, another good day out here. There's something going on. About 100 bites. So I tell you what, there's fish out here. Y'all just seeing them cats. All right, ladies and gents, we're gonna get on. Until next time on the Boomer Jones Fishing Show. Yeah. You damn right. I'm about to say, boy, is there something on there? I got you today, baby. Yeah. Yes, sir. It ain't over. You right. Yeah, we're gonna come back to this joker later. Oh man, what's that bumper doing out there? Is that yours? Yeah, I know it. I got it on tape too. I know it. I got that on tape. His Baba floating on out there with no line on it. Over there. Let me messed up, so I'm gonna take that shit under right now. Oh, already. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'll carry that. Yeah, y'all hear him? He said he gonna carry his fish. Nigga said I didn't catch one, that's mine. Yeah, oh yeah, shit, you ain't lying. A lot of them jokers. Hey, anything's better than nothing, I tell you that. And shit, just a little action on that pole, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. Oh, probably. Shit, you can. Yup. Oh yeah. Shit, man, I think I'm gonna eat a couple of them sunfish too. Fry them motherfuckers whole. Oh yeah. Cut some slits in it. Put some seasoning inside it. Oh yeah. Heard they good eating. I ain't never messed with them. Yep, me too. I know exactly. Yep. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. Oh yeah, whole thing of liver. Let's put that back here. Oh yeah, we can still use that. It ain't stinking yet. There's another spot, ladies and gents.